I'm going to use both cars, and every time you sign into the game, they have to scan the track you made. So they're going to start to scan the track.
The Supercars are recalibrating for this repeat matchup. Do I smell a grudge match brewing?
Back again to make sure that last victory was no fluke. This challenger is trying to make a point.
Match begins in 3, 2, 1.
Let's see if you can try.
Before you take control, here's what you need to know. The Supercars will follow the track themselves, so just concentrate on lanes. Tilt your device to the left to get into CrashBot's lanes. Tilt your device to the left to get into CrashBot's lane. Now tilt your device to the right.
Hey, not bad. I was going easy on you, but now let's see if you can keep up.
Now you'll need to use your throttle to catch up to CrashBot. Slide the throttle up to gain speed.
Hey, not bad.
Sometimes when battling, it's important to get behind your opponents. Watch as CrashBot falls back. Now slide your throttle down to get behind CrashBot.
Man, I really thought I had you there. Time to use my special boost. No, I pushed it too far again.
Congratulations! You've mastered the basic controls of your supercar. You are the winner.
I feel like I should be trying harder.
CrashBot's at a great pace, but the challenger was more than up to it, and CrashBot lost control.
I guess that's why they call him CrashBot. Well, this challenger has some outstanding moves.
Ground shock, we are electric.
Place vehicles on the track and tap Begin Scan.
So the cars are rescanning, and ground shock is going the wrong way, if you see. So it's me versus CrashBot.
Track scanning complete.
And here we go.
Huh, just got that.
Ground shock is off track. Please replace before resuming. You have taken the lead.
Nothing personal. Just playing the game. Amazing!
Five laps remain.
I 5 laps remaining.
That was on purpose.
I 12/15 laps, 13/15 laps, 14/15 laps, and I'll get 15/15 laps. I won, and I am the winner.
Not bad.
Commander, choose your vehicle.
I like ground shock. Now I'm going to
Place vehicles on the track and tap Begin Scan.
Now both cars are going to scan the track. Both cars are going to scan the track. And I have switched players.
Track scanning complete.
Listen.
Race begins in 3, 2, 1.
And here we go.
You have taken the lead.
You like ground shock. Now I am going to
Place vehicles on the track and tap Begin Scan.
Now both cars are going to scan the track. Both cars are going to scan the track. And I have switched players.
Track scanning complete.
Listen.
Race begins in 3, 2, 1.
And here we go.
You have taken the lead.
You're starting to think this is personal. This is so rude.
You have taken the lead. 5 laps remain.
No fair. This is so against my programming.
You are the winner.
You must have learned a thing or two from me. I'm feeling the buzz, Ground Shock. Let's go.
Place vehicles on the track and tap Begin Scan.
Now both cars are going to scan again. And as I said, they scan every time to make sure you haven't changed the track.
Track scanning complete.
And I am ready to go against Crashbot again. Crashbot's ground shock on
Race begins
Skull.
in 3, 2, 1. You have taken the lead.
Way more fun to be on this side of the firing line.
Five laps remain.
I'm Steve. Sorry.
You are the winner.
Well, I can't win them all, or even most of them.
Skull's the winner for today. Again? I'm going to rematch Crashbot one more time.
Place vehicles on the track and tap Begin Scan.
Both cars are scanning.
Track scanning complete. Race begins in 3, 2, 1.
And here we go.
You have taken the lead.
And I thought you wanted to win.
the lead.
You left yourself wide open.
5 laps remaining.
Nailing it. I know you are, but what am I?
The winner is Crashbot.
Well,
Drum Truck's a winner.
And tap begin scan.
The cars are scanning again.
Track scanning complete. Battle begins in 3, 2, 1.
Here we go.
Oh, joy! I'm not really programmed for this. Can we just enjoy the ride? This is so against my programming. Not really programmed for this. Yes, I don't know if I am restrained. You know, you can stop me at any time. Good eye and Anki. Are these explosions really necessary? Not really programmed for this. Can we just enjoy the ride? That's not very friendly. This is so rude. You know, you can stop me at any time. Not really programmed for this. Do I have a tornado with it? And I thought you wanted to win. That's not very friendly. That was on purpose. Good eye, Anki. Not really programmed for this. I'm starting to think this is personal. Good eye, Anki. Okay, you made your point. Are these explosions really necessary? Not really programmed for this. Can we just enjoy the ride? Good eye, Anki. Stop me at any time. It's not very friendly. Do I have a tornado with it? Oh, thank you, here, Regan. Are these explosions really necessary? Not really programmed for this. You left myself wide open.
You have taken the lead.
I mean, really? This is stupid. You know, you can stop me at any time. I'm not really programmed for this. You know, you can stop me at any time. Do I have a target on my back? It's not.
Invalid track detected.
Yeah, Daddy.
Invalid track detected. 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 Track scanning complete. Race begins in 3, 2, 1.
And here we go.
It seems I know what I'm doing.
Five laps remain.
In the lead and loving it. Guess I don't know my own strength. Would I attack you?
The winner is Crashbot.
Wow, that was close.
Place vehicles on the track and tap Begin Scan. Track scanning complete. Race begins in 3, 2, 1.
And here we go.
Oh, joy!
Second place.
5 laps remain.
I can't